Do you know what spelling is correct? Heroes or heroes? Keep on watching and you'll find out it soon. Hello everyone and welcome to English for Fun with teacher Alice, and today we're going to learn the plural forms of nouns. Let's start. Apple. One apple. Many apples. Many apples. A bird. A bird. Many birds. Many birds. A bowl. A bowl. Many bowls. Many bowls. A boy. A boy. Many boys. Many boys. A bus. A bus. Many buses. Many buses. A box. A box. Many boxes. Many boxes. A fox. A fox. Many foxes. Many foxes. A kiss. A kiss. Many kisses. Many kisses. A watch. A watch. Many watches. Many watches. A baby. A baby. Many babies. Many babies. A story. A story. Many stories. Many stories. A city. A city. Many cities. Many cities. A country. A country. Many countries. Many countries. A tomato. A tomato. Many tomatoes. Many tomatoes. A potato. A potato. Many potatoes. Many potatoes. A hero. A hero. Many heroes. Many heroes. So what spelling is correct? Heroes with S or heroes with ES? Heroes with ES. There are a lot of heroes these days. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you want to keep on learning and having fun with us, subscribe. It's teacher Alice and it's English for Fun. See you next time. Bye bye for now.